Dear students, welcome to our online computer class. Till now, we have completed the chapters Computer Language and more on Windows 7. Today, we will start a new chapter using Mail Merge. The aims and objectives of today's session are to know what Mail Merge feature in MS Word is, to know the main features of Mail Merge like data, data source, main document and merge field. We will then see how to create a mail merge document, view the merge data and create a final main mail merge document. Then we will end our session by discussing and solving the objective problems. Now we will discuss mail merge. Mail merge is a feature in MS Word that takes data from a data source and inserts it into a main document containing similar information. Here, one specific type of information is to be addressed to different individuals with different addresses. It is required mainly in business or any official matters. Sometimes they need to send letters with similar information to different people. The letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So, changing the address each time would be a time-consuming process. So, we see that with mail merge, we can send letters with similar information to different people very quickly. In order to understand mail merge better, we need to understand certain important terms. The first term is data. What is data? We can say that it is any text or number that can be used as information. For example, name, address, pin code, etc. is called data. Data source. It is the location where data that is used in a mail merge is stored. Example, a database in the form of a table that contains data from where data is taken and used is a data source. Main document. It consists of text or information that we wish to send to all the recipients. Example is simple letter. Merge field. It is a data item that is to be taken from a data source and inserted into the main document. Example, name, address, city, etc. that is to be inserted to the main document. In the next slide, we will discuss about data source. We have seen that data source is the location where data that used in a mail merge is stored. Okay, now we will see a table acting as data source and also what fields and records are. At first, we will see what is field. Field is column name in a table that contains one type of information. Like name field contains only the names, address field contains addresses and so on. In the table, the fields are name, address, city, pin, mobile number, which are written as heading. Now see record. Record is a row in a datasheet which contains values for all the fields. Here in this table you see name of the person is Kabir, his address is Sector 2, Delhi, his PIN number is 134109 and mobile number is 2576675, which provides you the complete information of Kabir. In this way, we can find out the complete information of other students from the table. Now, we will see how to create a mail merge document. At first, we must open MS Word 2010. Then, click on the Mailings tab, select Start Mail Merge. There will be a few options to choose from. Select letters as you can see in the upper window. Now, we are prompted to type a letter. So, we type a letter. Here, Nishit is inviting his friends to the marriage party of his brother. We see in the letter that there is a space after dear and there is a space above the letter. These will form a part of the merge data which will be discussed later on. It's shown in the lower window. Now see how Nishit will create a mail merge document. At first, Nishit has to decide who he wants to invite. So he chooses mailings, select recipients, and then select type new list. The new address list dialog box opens and prompts him to enter data. He enters first name, last name, and address of his friends who he wishes to invite. He has to click on the new entry button to enter new records. When he has finished, he clicks OK. There is a prompt to save the data source file. He saves it by giving a file name. In this way, Nishit has created the data source containing the addresses of his friends. Now he has to go to mailings, insert merge field, the drop-down menu opens. First, he has to put the cursor at the position in the letter where first name will be added. The same has to be done for last name and address. The letter appears as in the diagram with the fields where the data has to be entered. Now see, Nishit clicks mailings, preview results to see the results. The first record will be displayed by default. Here it is a record of Sanchar Roy. To see the next record, click on the next record button and so on to preview the result. Now that we have previewed the records, we go to mailings, finish and merge, and then select edit individual documents. A merge to new document dialog box opens with 3 options. We select all and then click OK. What we will see? It will edit individual documents one by one in separate pages. Now see, the final mail merge document has been created. It will have one record on each page. Here there are 4 records. So there will be 4 pages. The first record of Sanchar Roy is displayed on the first page and the others will be displayed accordingly. In the next few slides, we will discuss the objective problems on mail merge. Now we will do fill in the blanks. These are main document, field, tip and tag. Now see number 1. Dash contains the text that is sent to all the recipients. From the hint you find out the answer, it will be main document, because main document contains the information that we wish to send to all the recipients. Now see number 2. Dash key helps us to move between fields while typing the data. The answer will be tab key. Okay? Because tab key helps us to move between the fields, which is present at the left side of the keyboard. Now see number 3. The data is organized in tabular form along with the dash names. So from the hint you find out the answer, it will be field, because field name contains only one type of information, like name field contains only names, address field contains only the addresses. So data is organized. Now see number 4. A dash mark gives an indication that a record is selected. So the answer will be tick mark. Okay? Tick means the right symbol. Now we will see true or false. Now see number 1. Data source contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. So the answer will be false, because data source consists of only mailing list. Okay, it doesn't contain any text. Alright, now see number 2. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. It will be true, because it contains only one type of information. Like name field contains only the names, the address field contains only the addresses to organize the data. Now see number 3. Merge field is a feature that is used to combine a recipient list with a main document. It will be true, because it is used to combine recipient list, that is data source, with a main document. Now see number 4. Preview results option on mailings tab displays the first record from the data source. It will be true, because by default it displays first record from the data source. Now see number 5. The two main components required during a mail merge process are the main document and merge field. It will be true because to send the letters to different addresses, the merge data is inserted. Okay. Now we will see application based questions. Now see number 1. Radhika has purchased a brand new luxury car. She wants to celebrate her happiness with her friends and relatives. She wants to extend personal invitation to each one of them without typing their names and addresses time and again. Which method should she use to fulfill the requirement? So the answer will be she can use the mail merge feature to fulfill the requirement. Now see number 2. Suchitra is an office assistant and handles all the correspondence work of the company. This month, her company has made 5 new clients. Where will she add the contact details of these new clients while using the mail merge feature? So the answer will be she can add the contact details of the new clients in data source. Okay. Now we will do multiple choice questions. Now see number 1. Dash is a row on a data sheet which consists of a number of fields. The options are field, record, database. So the correct option is B, record. Because row on a data sheet is record, which consists of a number of fields. Now see number 2. Dash is the data item which instructs Microsoft Word where to insert the data source information in the main document. The options are data source, merge field, main document. So the correct option will be merge field, because through merge field we can insert data to send the letter to different addresses. Now see number 3. To create a new recipients list, select dash radio button under select recipients section. The options are use an existing list, select from contact, type a new list. So the correct option will be type a new list, because here new recipient list is mentioned which is not created earlier. Thank you class.